before it's come home, I'm afraid they're gonna have my
And that's the, all right, there we go. There's sum up. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
And starting things off, all of our alliances well on the move. Bronco Bots back with their second of the autonomous phase. Driven back with theirs as well. Driven will find theirs from under the stage as Bronco find theirs against the subwoofer. As Driven back for their third of auto, they'll be looking for a fourth. As a dead 26 tie at the half, or at the end of auto. As 1710 and 1730 working up together to get onto these pieces in the midfield as 1764 Liberty looking to steal them away from the Red Alliance. Railer Robotics back for the Red as well, looking to score one up into the speakers. Liberty will score one, joined by Railer. 1710 the Ravonics Revolution scoring over toward the amp. As for the blue side, the scoring has been just as hectic with Liberty and Bronco Bots both putting up some toward the speaker. 1710 the Ravonics Revolution scoring in the amp once again as Liberty for Blue return with the Bronco Bots for more pieces from the source. As Liberty for Blue will find theirs in 1710 to the amp as well. As for the Red Alliance, 1730 back, that's Team Driven for another note as it will go in the speaker for the Red Alliance, but they'll be opposed by the Blue Alliance's Bronco Bots from Lee Summit North. They'll score in the amp as well. And now into an amplified speaker. Driven are back once again. They'll find another up top. A minute 15 to go, and it's still a 3-point game. As 1763, the Pacellians back over blocking 1710 on their amp. As 935, Railer Robotics back for Red. They'll look to shoot another up as well. As 1730 from under their stage will score one, opposed by 1764, Liberty Robotics for Blue. 1730 coming back for Red, and they'll be opposed once again by Liberty as Driven will make theirs. Liberty looking over toward the amp. As for the Red Alliance, 935, Railer Robotics scoring another up toward the speaker. Already both of these teams inches away from their first RPs by scoring their 15 notes. As the Blue Alliance only 2 away, the Red Alliance with theirs already. As 1763 pushed over to the corner. As for the Red Alliance, Driven going to be looking for another. They'll score one up as well. As both Alliance now scoring toward amplified speakers, we enter the last 15 seconds of the match where our human players are going to look to spotlight. And with both teams scoring their rank RP from shooting already, we might see some robots get up on stage. As potentially going to have Driven and Ravonics trying to climb together. Might just end up being Driven as they try to get off the ground in the last. They do off the ground in the last second. They'll be spot lit for the Blue Alliance, the Bronco Bots, and Liberty up in the air with the... Alrighty, the results are in. It'll go to the Red Alliance winning this one 87-75. As the Red Alliance, both alliances will pick up one additional ranking point, moving Driven to 5th, Ravonics to 9th, Railer Robotics to 22nd.